welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be about this smoky eye. I originally planned to do something for Valentine's Day, but as soon as I started, applying my makeup, it was like nothing I had in mind. So the Valentine's Day tutorial is going to be on hold. This month I'm traveling a lot and I'm gonna film something for Valentine's Day, don't worry. I'm gonna be vlogging and next video is gonna be a haul probably, or maybe makeup storage or beauty routine. I don't know, whatever you like. Is there anything specific you want to see? If yes, help me out and comment down below. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. You're gonna see everything in my tutorial. So relax, sit back, and keep on watching. So today I'm gonna be using this amazing Natasha Denona LILA palette. It looks like this. It's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna show you the colors. So pretty. Look at them. Look at this beauty. I'm going to start with this nude vino shade. And the brush I'm going to be using is from Black Canvas Cosmetics E26. So basically I'm starting from my outer V like always. And this is actually pretty dark shade, as you can tell. So be very careful when doing this. I'm going to pull this color all the way to my brow bone, to my nose here. Like that, see? Like so. I actually saw Natasha doing this look and I was so in love, and actually she inspired me to do something like this. Like, for me, she is the best makeup artist in the world, honestly. Now I'm gonna use the Juno shade from here. This is the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to use the nude mauve color over, and I'm just going to blend two colors together, like here on my transition. Now I'm taking the Helio and I'm going to apply it onto my lid. I'm applying it onto the middle. I'm going back to the nude vino and I'm just gonna apply it here onto my outer V to create the depth and that smoky effect. Now I'm switching to Sigma gel liner in shade Wicked. This is my all-time favorite gel liner. Today I'm gonna use some help. This. Basically, I'm using the regular tape and I'm going to apply here where I want my liner to be like perfectly straight. Basically, I'm just going to pull the line. So. All the way to here. I'm just going to buff. And then go all the way to the start of my eye. Okay, now I'm just gonna remove the tape. Yay! Like so. I'm taking the JD Glow eyeshadow in shade Dahlia. This is like basic black eyeshadow, and Sigma short shader brush. I'm just gonna go over this eyeliner and create that smoky effect with black eyeshadow. Okay. I'm gonna apply Lillylashes in style Vienna. They're so dramatic. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop them on and then we can do the face. And today I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match in another shade. This one is Beige. See, it's a little bit grayish, but it has a really nice coverage. It's so light on the skin, and overall it lasts all day long. I don't know for you, but for me it's so good. And I'm also going to use the drugstore concealer for today, and that's of course Age Rewind from Maybelline, and this one is in shade Light. It's been like a hot minute since I've used this one. Obviously I applied a lot. The other day when I was looking for a new foundation, I mean L'Oreal one, I saw this concealer and I was like, oh, I haven't used that one for a while, and I decided to purchase it again. I'm just obsessed again. Also using my beauty blender and just gonna blend everything. It was like the best concealer at the time, and it was drugstore, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have this concealer. It was like the same thing as Shape Tape nowadays. I love the consistency, and as you can tell, it really covered my imperfections, and it gave me that like highlight underneath. That's why I love it so much. Woo! Now I'm using the translucent powder and translucent light, and I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender as well, starting from my nose. Also onto my forehead. Like, what is this? Now let's make a beard. Yeah, I literally have a beard now. Powder into middle of my nose and on the tip here. I'm gonna apply the same gel liner into my waterline. We go back to the palette. I'm taking this Nude Vino shade again. Canvas Cosmetics E27 brush. I'm gonna start buffing. Taking the Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. Now I'm gonna apply my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna contour my nose and my face. I'm gonna dust away the powder. Oh my gosh, I look so pale. I'm using BH Cosmetics brush, doesn't have a name, and Hoola bronzer as well. And just and I always bronze my forehead all the way to the hairline because it's gonna look more natural like that. I have this really big fluffy brush, and I just go over everything just to blend the colors together. And even my nose. I'm gonna apply the highlighter from Desi and Katie's collab with Dose of Colors, and this one is in shade Fuego. Beautiful golden champagne shade. I'm gonna use my finger for the nose, like that, a little bit onto the tip. I love this highlighter, it's so pretty. I think I found the perfect shade. This is Hanadi Beauty. She's a fellow blogger, I think from Germany, and she's amazing. She actually sent this lipsticks to me, and I think this color will be perfect for this look, and it's called Stripped. Love it. I'm just gonna spray my face real quick. And that's it, guys. We're done with the tutorial. How you guys like it? So that would be it. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to subscribe if you already haven't. And also like this video, comment down below, and see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye!